Welcome back to the second tutorial about automatic vectorization of shelters. This time we open a global mapper and as a first step we check the configuration in order to be sure that we have the right projection. For our area we need the UTM 35 North, which is fine. Now we open our imagery, done with the drone cropped along the perimeter and change in black and white with qGIS. Here is the images. We zoom in to an area which is representative. We can see here the shelters in a high resolution, different level of gray. Here you can see how important it is to fly during mid time when the sun is high, so we avoid having big shadows. Shadows will make all this process more difficult. At this point we have to start to vectorize the shelter. For that you need to right click on the layer that you just opened. You go to layer and click on create area features from equal value. This mask shows an important parameter, which is this one. Based on the experience, you need to have a number between 50 and 200. We start with 50. In order not to confuse the layers, I click 50 here as well. This gives the name of the layer. Then I choose one representative color. I pick it from the map, this one for example. Okay. And I limit the analysis to the area visible on the screen. Okay. If the area is not too big, the process shouldn't take a very long time. Here we can see the first result. Okay, we can see that it has recognized the shelter properly, but still plenty of noise. Let's do the experiment with another value. Same process, layer, create area feature from equal value. This time we type 100. I type 100 again. I choose again one value and I limit. Okay. Fine. Let's see the result and compare. It looks kind of better. Let's compare the two. This is 100. This is 50. You see 100 looks kind of better. Let's try with 150 to see what it gives. Same process. Okay, we have it. Let's compare the result. Here we have 150. You see, this area is not good. Here we have 100. It is kind of better. And here we have 50. So I think the good solution is between 100 and 50. Or maybe we can even keep 100 as the best value. Let's check again. With 50 I don't have this big noise here, but some shelter like this one are not really well captured. With 100 I have big noise which I can take away. I will keep 100. Now I do the same exercise but for the full site, keeping the value of 100. So right click, layer, create 100, wall 100, and here I don't limit anymore the analysis. I click. This might take some time because we are elaborating the full area. Here we are. We have now the full site vectorized with the parameter of 100. At this point we just have to export it and open it again with qGIS. To export, just click on File, Export, export as a vector, as a shapefile, and choose the location where you want to export. I call it vector shelter row, and I go. Fine, and I can close global mapper.